Good morning, everyone. I'm Ganesh Prabhu from IT department. I'm going to talk about my project title. My project title is Generative AI for Demystifying Legal Documents. We often face situations where we need to sign contracts or agreements, but the language used in them often to barrier. My project aims to solve this by using artificial intelligence to make legal documents accessible and understandable for everyone. Like legal documents are essential institution that governs our rights and obligation. However, the core problem is that are written in complex language with different dense structure and specified terminology. This creates significant challenge, complexity. Non-experts struggle to understand domain-specific terms. Yes, simple misinterpretation of class can lead to serious legal consequences. Currently, understanding these documents requires legal experts, which isn't always accessible. My solution bridges these gaps and then statement of the problem. Complex legal language and domain specifics, terminology, risk of misinterpretation or loss of legal intent, bias in training data affecting fairness and neutrality. Then the primary objective of this project is to simplify legal documents into clear, understandable language while strictly preserving the original legal intent. Scope of the project. Class information, breaking down specific class for clarity. And then allowing users to ask questions based on their uploaded documents. Our target audience includes students, educators, and small business owners who frequently deal with contracts but lack legal terms. And then methodology and architecture. Moving to technical implementation, I utilize a multimodal learning pipeline. This allows the system to accept various inputs, including text files, PDF, and even scanned images. Input and extraction. When we document is uploaded, we perform text extraction. For scanned documents, we use optical character recognition (OCR) to remove noise and extract the raw text. Architecture. We use test create OCR for image-based text and the standard partners for Word documents. The core intelligence is powered by generative AI models to analyze classes, identify applications, and net risk. Finally, the system generates a simplified summary and answers user queries in real time. Design class diagram. The class diagram represents the internal structure of the generative AI system used for demonstrate legal documents. The legal documents classes stores document details and passes content to the pre-processing module, which prevent text for analysis. Algorithms use optical character recognition, text pre-processing algorithm, named entity recognition, text classification, and text summarization, question answering, semantic similarity and retrieval, bias iteration and validation, feedback-based learning, hardware and software selection, processor, CPU, Intel Core, i5, Ryzen or AMD Ryzen, memory RAM minimum 8 GB, recommend 16 GB or more. Software, operating system, Windows, Linux, Ubuntu for A club, and then languages Python, used by AI and backend. Implementation. The system accepts legal documents in formats such as PDF, document, and images. Uploaded files are securely stored and validated before processing. User can ask document-specific questions. The system retrieves relevant context and generate accurate, easy to understand answer. The application is deployed server and cloud platform, ensuring scalability and real-time responsiveness. Important core segments. Then this is our project. We can upload a document in this, and then we can able to check this the accuracy, and then timeline, find lawyers. There are so many options in this project to useful for all the peoples. This features are used in my project: universal document support, built-in OCR, AI analysis, risk visualization, interactive dashboard, and then text stack, front end, framework, language, styling, components, icons, charts, state management, like that, and then backend, runtime, server, OCR engine, document processing, file handling, then this setup back. Now, finally, this part demonstrated AI can effectively transform technically legal language into clear content, improving accessibility while maintaining data privacy. Now, I will conclude this project. Thank you.